Max808 and welcome back to Pokemon HeartGold. In this episode we'll be going to the next city, Azalea, and yeah, I said to you after the episode, like off camera, I would find the way out of the dungeon. I found my way out. I had to battle a load of Pokemon because you can find them around, but yeah, so let's get going. What's behind this cave door? Route 33. Okay, west to Azalea Town. Okay, so we need to go this way. Okay, just run across. And if you can see, oh yeah, there's a evolved Cappy Malpod now. So yeah, we got all of this. It still hasn't hatched. He's level 13, 12, all of that. Yeah. So let's carry on going. Oh wait, I need to reset my team because he needs to swap with him. Okay, so let's get going. Alright, what's happening up there? Look. Who are you? You don't know us. You are Team Rocket. Everyone knows who Team Rocket is. If you don't know, they're just people who catch Pokemon and are bad guys. Go watch Pokemon series. We broke up a while ago. Give me a break. We have not broke up. Actually, we did once, but we haven't come back to pursue ambition or whatever. Third and stuff pushes him. He starts running away. Where's he going? Wait, are they doing something wrong? Nothing is going on. It's unsafe to go in there, so I'm standing guard to make sure people don't wander in. Am I not a good Samaritan? What is down there? Slowpoke Well. Oh wait, I think I've heard. No wait, that was on the map. Slowpoke Well, also known as the Rainmaker Well. Okay, let's go. Yeah, we're in the town. Awesome. Alright, we're gonna go. We're officially in Azalea Town, guys. So now we're just going to go heal up our Pokemon. Restore it to 12. Yep. Jumps in. Okay, get all our Pokemon back. Come back anytime. Okay, we're gonna run down here. Then we're gonna find where the next gym is. Here's the next gym. So I think in this episode we might face the next gym. Do you know about the Slowpoke tail? I've heard it's tasty. Aren't you glad I told you that? Wait, so what's happening? Why can't I go to... What's this? Yeah. Okay, looks like... who are you, Tiger Max? You want me to make some balls? Sorry, but that'll have to wait. What is wrong with me today? Do you know Team Rocket? Don't worry, I'll tell you wherever it was covered by the thing, because I'm looking at OBS. Team Rocket is an evil gang that uses Pokemon for dirty tricks. Now he's telling us they're supposed to have disbanded 3 years ago. Anyway, they're at the well, cutting off Slowpoke's tails for sale. Wait, that's... wow. So I'm going to give you them I'm going to go give them a lesson in pain. Hang on, Slowpoke. Old Kurt is on his way. Good run. So we have to follow him. Go, go. looks like he took him out. Let's go. Just to say, guys, I haven't played this game, so I actually don't know what's happening. I'm surprised just like you guys. Slowpoke ball. Oh look, it's a Slowpoke. Kurt, hey there, Tiger Max. The guard up took off when I shouted out to him. But then I took a tumble down the well. Okay. Stand. Yes. We need to save the Slowpokes and yes. Okay. Show them how gusty you are. Yes. So it looks like we're going in now. We're gonna battle some Team Rocket people. Yeah, this is training for the next gym, so let's do this, man. Or woman, whichever type gender you are. Okay, standing on the start. Whoever just battle me. Alright. You can see all the R's coming. Going into the middle. It's a man. Team Rocket Grunt. Send a Rat-a-tat. Now I'm going to send. But wait, what's Rat-a-tat's weaknesses and stuff again? Projects. We go to here, we go there. And then go Rat. Rat-a-tat. Okay, he's a normal type Pokemon, that's all we know. We have him, but I just don't know his weaknesses. It's just fighting type, the weaknesses are fighting type. So we are just going to have to harden. Because if I harden, it'll be hard for him to actually hit me. Defense rose. This is in his head so we can actually some stuff done in this episode. Okay, now I can actually do some damage. Okay, this is going bad. I think I'm gonna switch Pokemon. I'm gonna go with Rat-a-tat as well. Okay. Like the attack missed. If we go to here, we go to quick attack. Use it first. Use focus energy. I have that, but I'm not gonna use it. Quick attack. No, he was faster than me. He one-shot me. Hard. We're gonna go with Pidgey. So I can just like one-shot him. Gust. Alright, just take him out, guys. Metapod grew to level 8. I think alright, yeah, it's back. Okay. So guys, we're going to keep battling. Another Rat-a-tat. We're gonna click Gust. Go in. Pull out. I think the video is lagging on OBS. And we're back, guys. Yeah, just had some FPS issues making the video lag on OBS. So yeah, we're back with Rat-a-tat, and all we have to do is tackle. I'm just gonna do it tackle. Use this quick tackle, who cares? Use tackle. One shot. Okay, we're going to. Yeah, we get 109. Okay, 360 for winning. Let's go down here. Looks like I'm gonna have to go up here. Cross. Ooh, there's a blue haired guy or woman, whichever one. let's go. Okay. Oh yours. Okay, this one's a go. You got Zubat. If I remember his weak, we don't have anything that's weakness against him. I'm gonna go to here. I'm gonna go Totodile. Okay, go to here, Warren. Come on, please, don't hit yourself. Okay, we're gonna see if we're gonna dark type move on it. Snap out confusion. Yes, well done. One shot. Okay. Map up 51. Tilted out 51. Ekans. What the hell is that? Oh, Ekans, the snake. I'm gonna keep adding because none of them will be able to do us Ekans. Yeah, I'm gonna use a snake. We're gonna go with a bite. That lowers my defense. The bite. That doesn't do it. Wall gun. Doesn't do a lot. We don't have moves that do a lot. If we write, wait, Ekans, Ek. We'll see what its weaknesses are. We have some of its weaknesses. We're just gonna, so far we're just gonna go. See what things are once it loads up. Okay, just use scraps. Looks like the thing didn't load up in time just to beat him. 145. That was like level 14. Okay. 4 me. Okay, thanks. Where do I go from here? Well, not all the way. Or at least some of the way. Up. It's like one more battle, guys. Okay. Looks like it's a red attack. I'm gonna switch from that to Pidgey. Okay. Rust. Tackle. Okay. Right attack fainted. 42 XP from that approach. 42 XP for Peach. Here's Zubat. We know his weaknesses isn't that great. Keep batting. Gonna use Ghost. See if that works well. That doesn't do a lot. Okay, just go to it. We need to go back. Alright. Switch Pokemon. I'll try making the game go faster so we don't waste a lot of time. Okay, we know its weaknesses are electric, ice, physical, physics, Psychic, sorry, not physic. Well, Psychic and Rock. But we're under confusion, so hurt itself. Yep, that's what you gotta do. Come on, walk them. Allow it, please. Yes. Yes, one shot. Okay, send another Zuba. Keep battling. Okay, me and Totodile will be the strongest team alive. No, Toto. Come on, Toto. Oh no. Okay, thank goodness. Do we have anything in the bag? A super potion. Oh no, we can't waste it. I think we'll just have to switch Pokemon, you know what I'm saying? Pidgey, let's go. Pidgey can heal itself, so let's do this. First, heal yourself. Okay, thank you. Supersonic, who cares? Pidgey's strong. Come on, Pidgey, you can do it. Use tackle. Come on, don't hurt yourself, please, 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 please. Yes. Yes. Okay, use each life. That's not a lot. It doesn't drain a lot from you, but over a long period of time, it will do a lot of damage. So yeah. Okay. Gust. Each life. Gonna do one more tackle. Yes, let's take it out. So now we can carry on what will take out the big guy. Level 13. Please say it rolls. It wants to land quick attack. Yes, that's a sick move. Which okay, sand attack. I'm gonna forget that. Quick attack is let's say if I need it just in case, so I can do a first attack move, learn quick attack. Cool. 51 XP. Okay. Looks like Pidgey's not gonna roll. Anyway, who's this? Proton. What do we have here? Blah blah blah. Okay, we're gonna battle him. Team Rocket, Proton. Same guy. He looks like a woman from a pixel. So we need to put oh no, we can't put it. I'll put Pidgey then. Because Pidgey can blood, you know the drill. Supersonic is okay. We need to do quick attack and see if it actually reacts. Come on, guys. Come on, Pidgey. Come on, Pidgey. Come on, Pidgey. Let's do this. Oh no! Come on. You should be able to do this. Okay. Not very effectively excited, but quick attack again. Come on, please. Please. Yes. Pidgey OP. Oh no. Please say you snapped out of the confusion because I don't know how to do this. No, I just snapped out. Come on, you can do this, you can do this, you can do this, you can do this. Yes. One Pokemon down, 2 to go. Yeah, 45. 45. What's coughing? Oh, coughing. I have to keep on battling. Why was I thinking of a black and white Pokemon, Gen Pokemon? That Coffin guy. I didn't think of Coffin like him. Gonna have to do quick attack. Come on, please. Yes. Doesn't do a lot. Gosh. That should do a lot because logic. Nope, logics don't work in this. Customer. I actually didn't mean to do that, but looks like it's already done. Smog. Alright. Looks like we're gonna have to use Roost. Tech Mist. Gust. One more Gust. Just one more. Yes. Oh no. We're gonna have to use a quick attack. We're poisoned. Quick attack. So we can go first. Okay, we've taken it now. Fainted 292 XP. Yes. Level up. Level 14. Okay. Team Rocket was indeed broken up 3 years ago, but we continued our activities underground. A small obstacle like you won't be much of a problem for our mission. I advise you to be very afraid of what is to come. I will never be afraid. I will take you there. Alright, let's see. Looks like the guy is here. Way to go, Matt. Tag Max. Team Rocket has taken off. My back's better too. Let's get out of here. It's surprisingly better after I defeated the guy. Wow. Okay, handle yourself, blah blah blah. Okay. Tag Max is all right now. Oh, we got fastball. Tag Max with a fastball in his ball. I make Pokeballs for acorns, collect them for trees and bring them to me. I'll make Pokeballs out of them. That's right, I'll give you my grandpa's number. I'll definitely need it. Put it in the Poke because then after I could just ask him to make me a Pokeball with ingredients. Do I have to pay for them? Liz. Who's Liz? Oh hey, good afternoon, what's up? This is Liz, okay, listen. I entered the drawer on the 6th floor of Goldenwood department store. For 300, you have a chance to receive a TM. It's a great deal. But I retry. Blah blah blah. Don't care. So it looks like we're in Azalea City. Well guys, just on time. Looks like, what the hell? Oh, this tells me that I'm poisoned. Well guys, thank you guys for watching. Please leave a like. This is just the right time. It's on the 15th mark. It was meant to be on the 40th, but it's quite close. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe. It only takes 2 seconds, and I really appreciate it. Guys, in the next episode, we will be defeating the gym leader. Let's just see. Yeah, it looks like we're going to be defeating the gym leader. And yes, I did say defeating him, because I am confident that we can defeat him. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in another vid of Pokemon HeartGold. See ya.